Hello guys, how you all doing? Thank you for clicking on the video. Anyway, tonight me and Archie, which is here he is, there he is, there's the old boy. You're alright boy, yeah, oh you're a good boy. We are doing a solo wild camp. I'm actually down at my little semi-permanent camp spot that I've been slowly building over the last few weeks. To the left of me I've got two trees, and I've brought the Lavvu with me, the Polish Lavvu. A lot of you guys have probably heard of the Polish Lavvu. If you've never seen a Polish Lavvu, then keep watching because you're about to see one. So to the left of me I've got two trees. I'm going to string up a ridgeline, and then I'm going to set the Lavvu up, and I'm going to go poleless. I'm not going to have the pole inside because obviously, as anyone knows who's had a Lavvu or has a Lavvu and uses a Lavvu, removing that centre pole gives you a lot more space inside. It sounds crazy, but it does. So I'm going to suspend that from that ridge line, and yeah, sleep system for tonight. I've got my military Arctic sleeping bag. Go down to -15. It's not going to get that cold tonight, but it's a nice comfy bag and I like it. I've also got a ex-military canvas cot bed that I recently picked up on eBay, so we're going to be giving that a test out tonight. Again, not going to need a cot bed. It's not winter, it's summer here in the UK, but still it will be nice to test it out, see how comfy it is. Okay guys, so the Lavvu is set up, the bed is set up, the military Arctic sleeping bag is in on the old ex-military bed, and do you know what, I think it's going to be I think it's going to be a very comfortable sleep tonight. The dog's got his bed all set up. I've got himself, he's got a mat and a blanket, so it's going to be comfy. We've got a ground sheet down, as you can see. He's wandering about chewing sticks. So yeah, we're almost there. I'm going to get a fire going in a minute and get a brew on because I need a drink. So yeah, let's do that. Oh, but that reminds me, I've got this for tonight. I've got an IPA, tropical IPA actually, called Tiny Rebel. There it is. Can you guys see that? Is it going to focus? There we go. Tiny Rebel, tropical IPA, 5.5%. So it's not overly strong. So got that to enjoy tonight. I think I just saw the mango pineapple Club Tropical, a party in a can. We'll see. My girlfriend got me this, so I think I've had this before. Yes, I have had this before actually. Yeah, and it's very nice, so I'm gonna enjoy that this evening. Right guys, camp is established. Got a fire going, so I can get some coals going. So I've got some chicken tonight. There's the old food bag hanging up there. Everything's in the tent, well, in the Lavvu, bed set up, very nice. So, dog's had some water, got him some food as well. So yeah, it is, don't know what the time is actually, it is on my phone, it's 7:15. So we've still got a couple of hours of daylight left. Obviously it gets a bit darker quicker in the woods for obvious reasons, tree canopy and that, but yeah, we've got the fire going, it's going to be good. Well, so now that camp's all set up, I'm just going to take a few minutes to myself, enjoy this cup of coffee and enjoy nature, I think. You guarding the chicken, mate? Watching that like a hawk, ain't ya? I'm not joking, since I put that chicken on the grill, he hasn't left its side. It's been there the whole time. He's either guarding it, or he's waiting, because he knows he's going to get some. I reckon it's the second one, he knows he's going to get some. So, oh god. The chicken is done, the bacon is done. Magnifique. Got my dinner. Got my IPA. See that alright, guys? IPA there. Nice. Let's have a taste. Tiny Rebel. Cheers, guys. Yeah, it's good. That's good as well. Well, I'm sure you guys don't want to see me eat my dinner, so I'm going to eat this, eat my bacon, and then I'll get back to you guys. I love that stuff. It's freaking awesome. Not everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. I love the way it makes all the colours change in the fire. Hopefully the camera was picking up alright. See if I can get another angle for you guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if the camera's actually picking it up properly or not. So hopefully when it comes to editing this video, oh no, you know, I'm not seeing much on the screen when I was recording it, but hey, if it doesn't come through on the video, at least I tried for you guys. So I just thought for a change I would make a brew on the old methylated spirit stove. Only problem is the cup doesn't fit properly on it, so all I've done, as you can see, is put a couple of tent pegs on it, like that, and the cup sits on there perfectly fine now. There you go, a hack for you guys if you didn't know. If you didn't know, now you know. It's just got to fire up properly at the moment. I've only just lit it, so should get going in a minute. You alright, pup? Just heard something. You alright, mate? Oh, yeah, just found a bug. There we go. Yeah, you get that bug. Get that bug. Go on. What do you like? Eh? He loves it out here, but every time he's out here he acts the same way. Because obviously there's a lot of deer in these woods. This woodland is completely nutter. Absolute nutter. Yeah, this woodland is completely unmanaged. So there's a lot of wildlife out here, a lot of badgers, a lot of deer and all that, so he hears all them at night. So got his nose down to something and he's gone. Well guys, that's it for me tonight. It's quite late now. I've had my dinner, I've had my beer, I've had a hot chocolate. Dog's already in bed, washing himself. You can probably hear him in the background. But yeah, I've had a good night. It's just been nice to relax, you know, have a bit of time on your own. And yeah, it's been good, boy. But yeah, so I'm in my sleeping bag, the old British Army Arctic bag. Oh, just about ready for bed, guys. And this old military cot bed is very comfortable. And you know what? It's nice to actually be off the floor. Because normally, if I'm not in a hammock, I'm normally just on a mat, you know, like a self-inflating mat. So it's nice. But yeah, unless aliens land or Father Christmas turns up in his sleigh, you know, crash lands in the woods, or a UFO turns up, I will see you in the morning, guys. Good night. Good night, people. Good night. So I'm laying here, right, and the dog has dropped his guts. He's decided to fart in the tent. He couldn't have done it outside. He's done it inside. disgusting. But I can't be bothered to move and get out. So I've opened up a couple of the armholes in the Lavvu to get some air in, because he reeks. I shouldn't have given him chicken and bacon for dinner. Really shouldn't have. Good night. Sleep tight. Oh, good morning. I slept very well last night. Once I got to sleep, I really struggled to get to sleep last night. Don't know why. Don't know why I just did, but yeah, no aliens or anything landed, guys. So yeah, it doesn't look like a very nice day out there. It's not very sunny at all. Looks a bit cloudy and but yeah, I'm gonna get up, make a coffee, I think, have some breakfast, and start breaking down camp. Yeah, that probably sounds like an idea. Okay guys, there you have it. Camp is all packed away. The fire is out. That burnt itself out last night, so no problem there. The dog's already off over there somewhere. So yeah, it has been a really good night. So that's it. We're packed up. My little camp is sorted. The massive bag is packed away, as you can see. I've only got to put the camera away on the tripod. And yeah, then we're good to go. Right, that's it guys. All packed up. Bag is packed. Really enjoyed last night. It was good to get out and just relax. So me and Archie, we're heading home. And that's it for this camping trip. Thank you for watching and for your support. If you've liked and commented and subscribed, really appreciate it. And see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Come Pop. Don't worry, wasn't going to forget about you guys. Come on, let's go home.